which the following lines are concurrent. The three lines go through the same point. What is the value of k? There's no k here, no k, there's only k here. Solve these two. What do? I know x minus y is 1. You know 2x plus 3y equals 12. Multiply this by 2. 2x minus 2y equals 2. Subtract 1 from the other. 5y equals 10. Means y is 2. This is 2. This is 3. X is 3. Y is 2. Substitute that here. It should be satisfied. X is 3. Y is 2. What we get? 2 into 3 minus 3 into 2 plus k is equal to 0. 6 minus 6 plus k equal to 0. K should be 0. If three lines are concurrent, they should have a common point. All three pass through the same point. Find the point these two pass through. Substitute that here, it should work. Find k. K is 0. 3b.